are going to do our country. Okay, so let's start with the label. So th labels, just gonna copy paste that really quick here, not a problem. And let's change that to country. Done, and let's go with country. All right, and we are going to take this guy. Let me just make that a little bit move here that you guys can see. All right, let's take this guy here. Maybe we should make this bigger. There we go. So we're gonna take that, copy and paste it here. But we are going to change the input here. So we have our input gonna go away. Instead of that, we are going to use the tag select, and we're gonna name that, let's say, country. All right, so we have our select, and close the select. All right, oh, missing that. All right, so what are those selections that we're gonna use inside? Let's have a couple of options. Let's say option, I'm gonna make one and then copy paste. Let's give the value 1. And let's say the first one is US. I'm gonna copy paste that a couple of times. Maybe 4. 1, 2, that's enough. All right, Canada. And let's say Mexico. And I don't know, Brazil. I think those are good enough. Let's save that, take a look. All right, refresh. Here we go. Oh, I don't see those yet. I'm missing something because I use section here. So that's the autocomplete problem. So I'm gonna go select. There we go, that's the second one, and modify that one. As far as I can fix it, there is no problem. Here we go. So we have that, and you can see those options that you can select. All right, so far so good. Let's go create the phone number. So you can see you have 3 sections here with the plus sign and the parentheses. Let's create the exact same thing for the next section. All right, so I'm gonna put my row tag. There we go. Let's take this guy. Let's see, I didn't miss anything naming wise. All right, that is that. Let's call this, I don't know, number, and or maybe phone number. All right, so we're gonna change this to phone. Same thing, country code, comma, area code, and a number, right? That's that. Oh, let's save it, take a look. All right, that is good enough. Now let's go create our TD tag. We open and close it, right? And we know we have to expand this for 3 cells. All right, inside we are going to have a parentheses plus. All right, so first thing we're gonna have our first input, and we're gonna ID that country, let's say country code, name country code, right there. Let's go type. All right, so we can go with number to collect that, but also we have a, what do you call it, tel, or telephone number, not the text, tel. Be careful of autocomplete. And we can also set the size to 3 because the highest number of area code is 3 digits. So we don't need that much of space. We are going to close that and close the parentheses. So that is that. Then we are going to have our next input. Let's say this one would be area code. And we're going to name that area code. All right. And same thing. So the type would be tel. And let's say put the size for this 3. Okay. So far so good. And we need a dash here. And oh, not that. A dash. And we're going to have an input again. This one, let's call it the phone number or number itself. And then we are going to do the same thing here. Type tel. And the size, let's say 10. That would be fine. Okay. So I think I got everything down. Let's just minimize this, save it, and go check it out. There we go. So we have this. Maybe you can add a little bit of space here and there if you like. Have one there, and there we go. Much better. So that's our phone number or country. Let's see what's next. All right, we're gonna have an email, so let's do that. Another TR. I'm gonna copy this. All right, so that would be my email. And here I'm just gonna change that to email, right? Not a problem. And then we just need a TD here with a span of 3. So far so good. And we're gonna have our input and ID that's email. Same thing, name, also email. All right, so for the type, although we have option for text, it's better to use email because it gives us some sort of validation. I'll show you when I submit the form to see how this actually works out as well. So with the type, we're gonna put the email here. I think we got everything here, so let's save that, take a look. There we go. Maybe we can make it bigger, or let's just let it be like that for now. All right, so email, you see, is actually recognized. It pops out the emails. When we enter something, if you leave it like that, when you submit your form, it actually does not let happen. So here we go. It says, please indicate an @ for the email address. So it recognized the email format, which is really handy. All right, so next order of business. Let's see what is in there. The date of birth. We can simplify this, have one section that it can actually take the dates, make it easier for the user and for us as well here. All right, so another TR, open and close, save. We are going to copy the label right there. This would be, what am I doing? The birthday. All right. And we're gonna copy this part here, like that. Oh. All right. And here we are going to change this also. So birthday. All right. Birthday. Here as well, and the type we can go with date, date time local. Just have a date here. Let's save that. refresh. There we go. So it's month, day, and if you click here, you can have a calendar that you can select from. You guys seen this before on the web. Here we go. Let's pick that date, for example. Okay, so that is good. So far, so good.